All right, so I think we already hit save. So you hit save, and then if you want to exit out of it, just because what ends up happening is that you'll notice that this should be one-to-one. Like what you see here is what it should look like on the front end, but that's not always the case. But you can hit save, and then you can click up here to exit Visual Builder, and then you'll actually exit the Visual Builder. Um, Also, if you click on it and you don't save, it should say, "Oh, you didn't save. Do you want discard changes?" You can make sure that you actually saved it when you go to do it. Obviously, you can also just click on this to go to the back end of the site, but by clicking on that, it'll keep you on the front end. So then we can actually interact with the site a little bit better. It does let you click the buttons, but it gets a little bit weird because it's not sure if you're trying to interact with it or something. So you can see it looks pretty much the same, which is fine. So yeah, that's what the site looks like. That's great. And again, if I need to go back there, I can click on this. Please feel free you can add more pages. You can add more elements in here. Feel free to, add or remove any elements that you would like to, because that would be better than not. Okay. So please explore and look through it. But when you are complete, you're just going to do the same process that you did before. Make sure that you do exit the Visual Builder though, just to make sure that like everything's saved and good. Otherwise, if you're still in it and then you close out, then it might not have like completed. So, but when you are done and that's all good, you're just going to go to Divi Builder. You're going to go to your site. You just right click, go to export. It's going to export out a zip file, and then you're just going to submit that onto onto the assignment, which is obviously Lab 12 or Class 12, the Divi Child Site Page Creation Lab. And then when you're done with, once you've done that, just go ahead, go here, and you can right click, and then, oh, sorry, don't do that. You want to just hit stop site, and that will stop the site. Give it some time. It takes a little bit of while for it to close. And once that's good, once you've submitted it and you closed it, you can eventually close this. I'm just going to minimize it because it takes a while for that to happen. And then you have the lab done. So congrats.